from bad guys. Okay, it's gonna be a little bit of a different pose. There was another Mr. Wolf video which I'll link at the very end, but this one is him with glasses on, like with cool glasses on. But yeah, it's gonna be simple, step by step, and for beginners totally. Okay, so watch all the way to the very end of the video. It's a very short lesson, like 8 minutes, and if you get all the way to the very end, you'll be able to remember it much better. Okay, let's get started right now. Alrighty, let's go over how to draw Mr. Wolf here with glasses, and let's get started. I'm going to go over here, I'm going to pull straight line out, down, kind of for the side of the face, point out here for the snout, down, curve, kind of the top curve for the front of the nose, down over here. It's going to curve inward here, and then curve up outward here. I'm going to pull a straight line down, very small, and then I'm going to have a curved line here, pull out over there for the top of the mouth, line across, and I'm going to pull up just a bit here. Right on. I'm going to pull a line down on yay height, line over here, line out, back there for kind of the lower body really, and I'm going to pull a line in here to kind of like show that the eye is over here. Right, got the eye, curve. The thing is, a lot of his eyes are not going to show because of the glasses, so I'm trying not even to draw that much of that. I'm going to draw a line over here for the center of the glasses area. Actually, I'm not yet. I'm going to go over here, top of the head, triangle of the ear over here, but as it goes out, it's going to have a zigzag to it. Down, up over here, a line, down. Zigzag just a bit, and now it's going to go into the upper ear. It's going to go up, down, okay? Up, down. And now it's going to swoop out just a bit because he is like a wolf, right? It's going to swoop out just a bit. It's going to be zigzaggy-ish around the back there. Line down here for this jacket he has on, down over here, out, staircase down. Alright, line over here, and that's just how it is. And let's draw the inside of the ear. It's going to swoop in on this side, swoop in and down. Line over here for the glasses, down. I'm going to pull a line down here on this side, and I'm going to pull back, down, curve underneath, okay? And then that we're going to fill in. We're going to fill that in. Okay, his eye is going to be, you're going to see barely a little bit in the back there. I'm going to pull it up, curve, eyebrow, and then eyebrow. Down over here, zigzag over here. Out, down, out for his outfit there. Okay. So let's throw in some detail in here, okay? So right off the bat, I want to throw in a little line to the top. It's going to go in, just a thin line. Line over here around the edge, and that's going to be the kind of the change in the color on his face, right? Down over here. Line over here. Line over here. Zigzag. And you can even throw some zigzag lines over here on the side of his kind of side of the face there. You don't really have to, but it would help. Line over here, trying to find a highlight on the nose. And then from this point on, I'm going to kind of fill in the nose, except for that highlight, right? And throw that ear down just a bit, and I want to have the, sorry, I forgot the back of the glasses right here. All right, because they got to go somewhere, right? And if you wanted to, you could have thrown a, what do you call it? A more details into the glasses, but you don't really have to, but it might help. If you want to throw like something really, the other thing is you can kind of go in here and throw like some goofier stuff. Hold on, so the body over here. You can throw in some goofier stuff, like you can throw little hairs for detail, or like the goofier thing I'm thinking about is you can throw like this little highlight right there on the glasses. I mean, that's really goofy, but I mean, it's kind of up to you if you want to do that. Right, you kind of throw like a line here underneath the wolf area. I mean, the wolf, like the eye. It's kind of like it's sticking out underneath the eye. Throw like a line here for kind of the jacket area. Pull down. Throw some more folds there. It's kind of up to you how you do this, so it's pretty cool how that works. And it's kind of mostly it, honestly. You could maybe thicken the lines out here, but it'd be a little bit different because this is a headshot, but it's up to you. A lot of the, please hit that like, by the way, if you like the bad guys. I thought that movie was really cool. Like, let me know what you thought of it, or if you saw it. But this is Mr. Wolf. Let me draw like a line here, maybe right there for a little. Mr. Wolf with some glasses on. Alright, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.